Hey guys, how you doing? Hey, just want to report some earthquakes here. There's one on 5.3 off of Cape Town. Actually, it's in the Mid-Atlantic Sea on there. It was a 5.3, 1,747 miles from Cape Town in South Africa, right in the mid-Atlantic, right there. But also there was a 5.9 at Vanuatu, 50 miles from there, a 5.9. As also they're known for volcanoes and underwater volcanoes as well. Another significant earthquakes on the Coos Bay in Oregon, a 5.9. This is 182 miles from there. They've been having a lot of those lately for some reason, but a 5.9 earthquake on there. And then also down in the Philippines, 5.3, which is near Manila, 270 miles from Opacando, around that region there. And also a 5.5 down in Iceland, another significance there. They haven't had one for a while, but a 5.3 earthquake on there is like 871 miles from that region there. But also down at Madais, 5.6 earthquake, which is 346 miles from Adu City there. And then the other one was in Congo, which is a 5.7. So for some reason, there's a lot of fives in this range of earthquakes happening. So kind of interesting. So within one couple of days or whatever, there's been a lot of fives, 5.3, 5.9, 5.7, and so on. So I thought I'd report that. It's kind of interesting.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.